What's going on, YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys, and today we're going to be working on installing LEDs into your SRT4 cluster. You can get these from eBay. That's what I got. I just got them in the mail. I'm installing them as we speak. They're pretty easy to do. You're going to have these little connectors here. They look like this. What you're going to do is you're going to twist and turn and pull them out. And it's located on the back of your cluster here. Here's the SRT4 cluster. It's pretty simple to take out. Then you got one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and one there. There should be 5 total, guys. They're pretty easy. Only thing you do is get you some pliers or something to turn with, but be very gentle because these are plastic and they will break, and then you'll have to go to a junkyard and pull one off of another neon, because I really doubt that you can buy these little connectors off the store or out of the store. But that's what I'm doing today, guys. And if you want to watch this video, please make sure you guys give it a like. Check out the links below in the description. Also, check out the Bad Disturb Facebook page. Make sure you guys check that out as well. We got a lot of mods to be putting on this car. Yesterday, the blue car got tuned by my friend Ryan Everson. He does not have a website yet, but he's located in Ohio, and if you guys are interested in getting your SRT4 worked on, or if you have a different car besides an SRT, he does those as well. I partnered up with him to try to help him expand and help him out, trying to be a good friend, more or less. And you guys need to check Ryan out. We're going to go back and try to figure out why the blue car, the blue SRT here, how come it's not boosting right when it should. Because as of right now, guys, the blue SRT4, it peaks at 22. But we found out yesterday when I was at his house that basically we ran his laptop up to it, and it said that there was something going on with the fuel, something going on with the throttle positioning sensor. So I went ahead and ordered one of them. They're like 80 bucks from AutoZone or O'Reilly's. So I just went on eBay and bought one from Daryl Cox Racing. It was a lot cheaper that way. So I went ahead and bought one from them guys, and I just ordered it today. We can do a video on that if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see something of that. But see, here's the back of your cluster, guys, and where it says aluminum or luminin, I don't know how you say. You can make fun of me all you want, but that's where your light is. These are that lights up your cluster. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. And there. And there. And there. You can also say you got, like, I don't have the airbags in this car. I removed them. And the airbag light is on. And say you get tired of seeing it. It's marked down here on the cardboard right there. At this one here. The one up right above it, that's your airbag light. So the only thing you can do is take that out and take the bulb out and then put the clip back in. More likely that's what I'm going to do, because I don't plan on having airbags because I don't like them. But what you guys do is, it's going to be a little bit rough with me trying to do this with my phone. But you put the LED in the little connector, and then right here is where it goes, and basically you just put it in there and twist and turn. twist and turn, and you put it in. Then your cluster, it goes back in here. You just push it back in, and then you got 4 bolts, guys. Right there. There's the 4 bolts. You bolt them back up. Then you turn on your dash lights, and you should have blue LEDs. It's pretty simple mod. Then I got the LEDs for this as well. I'm doing, but I might have a friend help me with that. I got blue ones for this also. You just twist and turn them and pull them out, and then you got put your blue LEDs in there, and then same thing, more or less, guys. But that's all I got for you guys today. Please check out the links in the description below, and check out Bad Disturbed's Facebook page. We got a lot of cool shit on there. Also, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Bad Disturbed, Mopar, or no car. Peace out, guys. Take care. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for checking out Thank you for checking out Bad Disturbed. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please share this video. Please like this video. And guys, please check out the links in the comments. Oh, fucking bullshit.